This afternoon, B.D.F. Private Raheem Valencio appeared in the Belmopan Magistrates Court and was arraigned for the murder of his colleague, B.D.F. soldier Jessie Escobar. Appearing alongside him were Police Constable Juan and B.D.F. Private Ramon Alcoser. They were charged for perverting the course of justice. Following the proceedings, Valencio was remanded to prison.
I did not take note of his state of mind as to say remorse or no remorse. I just spoke to him as an attorney and I did not take note of anything else. But I'm saying he's composed in the sense that he is up, he's strong, and he understood what is ahead of him.
From as early as 8 o'clock today, Santa Familia villagers and relatives of Escobar were out at the courthouse awaiting arraignment. Their hope was that the B.D.F. soldier is charged with murder. The media and the family were not allowed to enter the courtroom.
I really can't describe to you, I'm very hurt. I'm very hurt. I have kids, and I'm very hurt. I'm very hurt. It's hard to explain.
You have also had a similar run-in with the law where police abuse is concerned. How does that make you feel in light of what has happened with your cousin?
Well, we have no trust in the justice system. We have no trust or respect, for the police officers. Because, Sonny, I'm going to be honest with you. You want respect. You don't demand it. You earn it. Although there are a lot of good police officers, I have had encountered with many good police officers, no. But man, this is too much.
The B.D.F. soldier in question has been charged with murder. Is that any sigh of relief for you guys?
For me, honestly, it's not I cannot speak on behalf of them, but trust me, I am not going to sit back and let this blow over like a breeze, right? Because a murder charge is nothing. We want a conviction, because many times we hear that case file go missing, right? And we cannot get a conviction. So we want a conviction. We want a conviction. I personally am not just satisfied with a murder charge.
Commissioner of Police Chester Williams reacted to the charges.
As police, the public have expectations of us. And while I have always said that we don't act on public pressure, but rather we must always be guided by the evidence that the investigation reveals. What we simply did was to put the evidence together, conduct investigation properly, and send the evidence to the DPP for her determination, as the law dictates we must do. And the DPP, having looked at all the evidence that we have gathered, come to the determination that the B.D.F. must be charged for murder, and the police and the other B.D.F. be charged for attempt to pervert the course of justice for the fact that they lied in their statement with a view to cover up what actually transpired.
Valencio was remanded until November 30th. Attorney Oscar Salgado explains the possible timeline ahead.
Because of the severity of the charge, the criminal procedure rule, provides that the office of the DPP would have the police who are investigating, coupled with the office of the DPP, would have something like 8 months thereabout to prepare for disclosure. Disclosure in this case is 2 weeks before the preliminary inquiry. So they normally would have about 8 months to prepare full disclosure. So when we come back on the 30th of November, I don't expect anything to happen in terms of disclosure. This investigation is still ongoing, as the commissioner has said. Charges have been preferred, yes, but the investigation is ongoing. There is need for ballistics report. There is need for all sort of things from the autopsy, so the investigation is in its infancy.
Duane, Moody for News 5.